Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mike. Today I'm going to be making some homemade pancakes. At least the way I make homemade pancakes. I don't like using the box mix anymore. This way I know what's in it, you know. So I'm going to start off with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, and for my pancakes I like to add, now that was salted butter, so I'm not going to add salt, but if it was regular butter, unsalted, if you're using, just add like a pinch of salt, maybe a ½ teaspoon I would say. I like adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla to my pancakes. You can substitute whatever you like. You don't have to put anything in there, or you can put cinnamon or any other type of flavoring that you might like. Not necessary for the recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Oh, we forgot one other thing. We're going to need a cup of milk. Let me add that real quick. Just remember, it's always a 1-to-1 ratio. 1 of everything. 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now we can mix this up. Usually I use a fork. Now it's okay if it's a little lumpy, it's pancake batter. You can use a fork. You don't need a whisk. I'm trying to whisk to see if I can get them even fluffier. Don't add too much air in there. If it's lumpy, it's okay. So, I'm going to get this mixed up. It's a little, because of the butter, hardened up. But I'm going to transfer this now to just one of these, and then I'm going to let it set up for a second. Okay, I'm back. I added a little bit of flour, 1 more tablespoon, and it's getting the consistency I would like. I've let it sit for like 5 minutes too in between, until you get that pancake batter consistency. So I'll bring you right back when I got my skillet all ready to go. I'm gonna make some pancakes. Okay, so in your favorite skillet, I'm back. This is my favorite skillet, it's cast iron. Go ahead and oil it up with a little bit of butter, and then just pour your batter in. Mine's thickened up a little bit by adding that. However big you like them. I usually make them 4 to 5 inches round. And just let that get ready. It's okay if it's a little lumpy. This is actually my second one. Here's my first one. You can see how nice all those little holes are. That's good. I can zoom in on that while it's cooking. Okay, when it gets to about that point, we want to flip. Yeah, these smell so good. Now let's check it. Well, a little bit more. Okay, now that looks nice. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and do them all, and then we'll bring you right back. Yeah, about halfway through. Little bubbles in there. Oh yeah. We got these 3 so far, so we'll see how many this makes. Probably about 8 or 9. Okay, so here's the whole plate finished. Said it did about 9 pancakes, 4 to 5 inches round. So let's see how they look inside. Okay. Try it out. It's kind of looks a little dense, or a little less heat, but let it cook longer with less heat. I'm not sure. They taste freaking pretty good. Maybe it's more of an English style pancake. My favorite thing to put on pancakes is, well, you can really taste the butter too. Come on, I like putting honey on my pancakes. Oh yeah. So give this a recipe, comment, like, share this video. If this was helpful, let me know. Different than cake box or the box mixes. Oh yeah, that's good. And taste of vanilla too. So let me know. Please like, share, subscribe, and hope this was helpful to you. Thanks. Bye.